private equity, that was for me. I found it to be, or being on the buy side in general, being an investor, that was my calling, where I wanted to take some risk in life. I didn't want to be just an agent, and I wanted to own my own mistake, and where there is like a huge potential. But there is a huge potential in banking, right? There are bankers that are making millions and millions and much more than any PE guy.
Right.
But there is no, I don't think anymore there is like a right or wrong answer between investment banking and private equity. That was a mistake. It's buy side and sell side, just two different type of personality.
Yeah.
You have to find what suits you, and you have to be, you have to try to avoid listening to your friends, right? Because if you listen to your friends, it's all private equity is the right thing to do, and that's it.
Mm-hmm.
Not necessarily, right? Not necessarily.
Especially now, I feel like the pendulum has swung so far to private equity. It's like you have to go banking private equity. There's actually a lot of opportunities if you stay in banking now, because the banks just want to hold on to you so much. You can get promoted fast. You can get massive bonuses. I talked to a guy in his first 4 years or 3-4 years out of school. He was making like $500,000 already. Like, and it's just insane. And it's because he was really good. He stayed longer than usual and just kept getting promoted in massive bonuses.
And that's what I saw with all my friends staying to banking. It's really like a last man standing game.